How to delete emails from Gmail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. This app provides a dedicated way to access and manage your Gmail and Google Workspace accounts on your iOS device. The app also integrates with other Google services like Google Meet and Google Chat. As you can see, you are now in the Gmail inbox page. You can view all your emails over here. If you want to delete emails from here, then tap and hold that email to select it. You can select other emails in the same way as well. You can also tap on the Select All box at the top if you want to select and delete all the emails at once. After selecting, go to the top right and tap on the Delete icon. All the emails that you selected have now been moved to the bin. You can tap on Undo below if you want to undo this action. Following these steps, you can easily delete emails from Gmail on iPhone.